Hi, I'm Michael Cohen. Today's topic is going to be a very simple one, and it's about 4 different types of powers of attorney. Most people think of one power of attorney out there. There's only one power of attorney that everybody uses, but that's not the case. First is a general power of attorney. Now, most people think of powers of attorney in dealing with your assets or signing contracts. You could have a general, which means all sorts of different things. However, a general is just that, general in nature. It could say, I give the authority to deal with my personal property, my furniture, maybe my real estate, any number of things. However, what happens if you lack mental capacity? The power of attorney must be durable. In other words, the language in the power of attorney says it has to be good even during your disability. That's what most people want, because really they say, I can handle my affairs if I'm okay. It's when I'm not okay that I want things to somebody else to act as my agent in my place, whether it's to sign a real estate contract or to sign any type of contract or deal with different types of planning or public benefits, etc. It should be mentioned that even though Texas has a statutory form, there's lots of extra things, as we've talked about on a prior recording, that you could have in your financial power of attorney. So you have to consider if there's other things that you want beside the statute. The statute refers to about 10 different pages of different things. So, for example, if it says real estate transactions, that refers to the statute, which means sell, convey, lease, hypothecate, mortgage, assign, that type of thing. So there's a paragraph about each in the laundry list on the first page of most statutory powers of attorney in Texas. However, there are extra powers like the ability to create trust, the ability to make transfers, is there ability to have somebody substitute in your place, or the agent's place that is there ability to change beneficiary designations, is there a benefit to, can you change a survivorship account or create a survivorship account? So can you deal with planning for public benefits? So there's lots of different options that you could include, but you want it to be durable. Now, I say durable during disability. A lot of people think it should spring upon disability, but really you want it to be effective immediately if you trust your agent. Another type of power of attorney, the third type that I'll mention, is a limited power of attorney. Let's say you just want to have one type of transaction taken care of. I give so-and-so the authority to sell my home. That would be a limited power of attorney. By the way, if you're using a power of attorney in connection with real estate, the power of attorney must be recorded in the county where that property is located within 30 days of the transaction. The fourth and final power of attorney is a little bit different than the others, and that's a medical power of attorney. It has nothing to do with financial assets. It's just who deals with your medical decisions. We've had a prior recording on when you don't even have to have a medical power of attorney, but generally a financial power of attorney is a basic document that everybody should have, along with, even if you don't have any assets, because let's say you need to sign a contract, a lease, or whatever, because you lack capacity. A medical power of attorney only deals with medical decisions. So it's 2 separate types of powers of attorney, one dealing with your assets, one dealing with medical decisions. You should have both. And most people have a general durable power of attorney as well as a medical power of attorney, which is also good during disability. Powers of attorney, by the way, terminate at death. Those are the 4 different types of powers of attorney. I hope you all learned something today. Looking forward to next time.